Wondering how to use your data bundle to make extra cash over the internet? Stay tuned as we have some really interesting things to talk about. Hey guys, my name is Sylvia. This is Parity TV. On Parity TV, we create awareness and impart knowledge by exposing you to digital tools that helps improve productivity and help you achieve your business and even personal goals. If you're new to this channel, please check out our other videos. Before we go into the details of what we'll be discussing today, I'd like to tell you a very short story. John is an undergraduate. He loves to write. But most times he gets frustrated because he doesn't have the opportunity to get paid for his skills. Guess what? I think John might need to consider an online medium on the internet where he can showcase his services. And that could be the beginning of an online business. Starting an online business is a very good way to earn passive income, especially in this time and age where your take-home pay can't even cater for most of your needs. So what is an online business? According to Wikipedia, an online business is any kind of business or commercial transaction that includes sharing of information across the internet. Now, whatever service you render or whatever buying and selling that you do over the internet that involves you getting paid is an online business. Now, you might be wondering if it's possible for you to own an online store and a physical business. It is very possible. Take for example, you're a dealer in phone and phone accessories. You can have a physical store where people will come in and buy, and an online store where people will order for your product and you deliver to them. Now, the important thing about this is that your online store helps promote your physical business. Now, you might be wondering if you actually need a huge budget to start an online business. The truth is, you need little or nothing at all to start an online business. Now, here are some of the things that you can do over the internet to earn extra income. Now, the first thing we'll be talking about is freelancing. You see, a freelancer is a self-employed person offering services to multiple clients at a time. You can be a freelance writer, a freelance photographer, graphic designer, software developer. All you have to do is look for a platform where you showcase your skills and people get to pay for your services. Now, some of these platforms are Fiverr, Upwork, and the rest. But who says you have to limit yourself to these platforms? You can also use your social media page to showcase your skills. For example, if you're a writer, you can showcase your skills on Facebook. If you're a software developer, we have Behance. If you're a graphic designer or a photographer, you can showcase your skills on Instagram. Another thing I want to talk about is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of recommending products and services to people, and when they get to buy these products and services, as a result of your recommendation, you get paid. Take for example, you have quite a number of followers on Facebook, Instagram, and even WhatsApp. You can advertise for people on Facebook stories, Instagram stories, and even on your WhatsApp status. And when people get to buy these products and services, you get paid for it. That's a very cool way to make cash over the internet. Blogging is another online business that you can start to make passive income. Let's say there's something you have passion for, something you really love. You can actually start a blog about it. For example, you love football. You can start a blog about football where people get the latest updates about what's happening in the world of football. Or you love anything related to fashion. You can start a blog about it where people get the latest trends about what's happening in the fashion world. And as time goes on, people keep visiting your blog because they love what you're doing and what they are seeing. The number increases and you get to monetize it. With time, you make extra cash from that. If you're comfortable with cameras, then vlogging is an online business that you can consider to make extra cash over the internet. Vlogging is a video version of a blog. Video plus blog gives you a vlog. Let's take for example, you have this love for advising people, giving people advice. You can start as a relationship counselor. You can advise people on how to sustain their relationships. You can also advise people on how to build their careers. And the thing is, there are so many platforms where you can post your videos. We have YouTube, Facebook, Instagram TV, and even Snapchat. As time goes on, when your subscriber base increases, you get to monetize your vlog. Yes, you get to monetize it or even get sponsors and advertisers. With that, you make extra cash. The thing is, you don't even need to have a high quality camera for you to start vlogging. You can start with what you have, but that doesn't mean if you have the money to get a high quality camera, you shouldn't. Please do. As time goes on, when the money starts coming in, you can get a better camera that suits your purpose. Now, there are other things that you can also do over the internet to make extra cash. For example, you can create courses, you can create ebooks, and even do one-on-one coaching over the internet. With that, you get to make extra cash. Now, this might be few out of numerous opportunities that you can make use of to earn passive income over the internet. Now, I urge you, do not be one of those who talk about starting a business and do nothing about it. Every start is challenging, but with hard work and determination, you get better over time. Now, I've talked about quite a number of things that you can do to earn passive income over the internet. Here's a recap. We talked about freelancing, we talked about blogging, vlogging, affiliate marketing, and even online courses. If this has been really helpful to you, feel free to click the like button. If you've not subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe, and if you have your opinions, you can share it in the comment section below. Do well to follow us on our various social media platforms at Parity Ltd. You can also visit our website www.parity.com.